Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You want to get casting going now. Make sure both your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network because casting streams data directly across that network. Turn the TV's cast or screen mirroring mode on so it advertises itself. On your phone, open the app you'll cast from or swipe into the system cast control and look for available devices. Once you see your TV listed, tap it to start the handshake. This begins the secure connection between devices. Once the TV appears, tap its name to begin. This tells your phone to stream to that specific device. Use the app's cast icon to send video only, or the phone's screen cast control to mirror everything. Choose based on whether you want playback controls on the phone or full mirroring. If a pairing code or permission prompt appears on either device, accept it. This secures the link. Finally, adjust volume and playback on the controlling device, because the phone often remains the remote during casting. To end, tap the cast icon and choose disconnect, or use the phone's cast control to stop. That cleanly releases the stream. If audio lags or video stutters, pause then resume, or lower stream quality in the app to reduce bandwidth. This helps because wireless congestion causes most issues. If the TV never appears, reboot the router, phone, and TV, then check for updates. Doing a fresh restart often resolves discovery failures. Try that first before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.